on the field of battle, we shall surely earn eternal glory and salvation. These were the words of Rani Lakshmi Bai. Yes, Rani Lakshmi Bai was an ideal woman. She became the symbol of women's courage and determination as she fought the British with her troops for the cause of justice during the Great Mutiny of 1857. Her father, Moriband Tambe, was in the royal service of Peshwa Bajirao. Her actual name was Manikarnika. Manu, as her playmates called her, loved to read and write. Manu's father educated her to be a queen.
I want to take a ride.
No, no, you can't.
Why? Can't I ride a horse?
Oh, Manu, you can't because girls don't ride a horse. Do you understand? Have you seen any of the girls riding a horse?
Well, now you'll see me riding not only a horse but an elephant very soon, and I will inspire others too. Nana, you'll be proud.
Soon, Manu learned the art of riding, fencing, and shooting. Time flew by, and little Manu grew up. She would gallop on a horseback like a warrior who knew no fear of obstacles or challenges. But she was very upset over atrocious behavior of Britishers towards her countrymen.
Manu, Manu, come on, let's have dinner. Oh Deva, why are you so sad? I have never seen you like this before. Tell me, what is the matter?
No, nothing, Baba.
So, you are just thinking and anxious that why people are afraid of Britishers.
Yes, Baba, why? People are afraid of whites as if they are demons.
Yes, they are demons. As they are torturing the people of our country. They are treating us like slaves in our own country. Do you know, when the white Britishers pass by the road, if we don't welcome them, they start whipping us till our skin turns red.
Does everybody watch this inhuman cruelty silently? Does nobody object?
To whom should we appeal? The tragedy is that we are not united. So, we are afraid of Britishers. That many kings and emperors have given up before the Britishers have offered their kingdom to them. But one day, time will change and they have to go back.
At the age of 14, she married Gangadhar Rao, Maharaja of Jhansi in 1842. She was then renamed Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi, a legendary figure who, like her many names, played different roles of perfection. She adopted Damodar Rao as son. In 1853, Maharaja Gangadhar Rao died, but she did not lose her courage and shouldered the responsibility of protecting Jhansi from the British. Please welcome the Rani of Jhansi. when the revolt of 1857 broke out against the British rule. Lord Dalhousie, the then Governor General of India, with his expansionist policy of doctrine of lapse, aimed at Jhansi.
Your Highness, Lord Dalhousie is visiting Jhansi. He wants to meet you as he wants to convey an important message to Your Highness.
Okay, send him.
Rani, the British government has decided to take the state of Jhansi under its control.
I will not leave my Jhansi. The Rani of Jhansi is not going to be.
You have to surrender the state jewels and rupees 60,000 will be deducted from your annual pension for the uncleared debts and you'll have to leave the fort as well.
I will not give my Jhansi to anybody. I shall not surrender my Jhansi. मैं अपनी झांसी किसी को नहीं दूंगी.
With a firm mindset and determination, her war cry, "मैं अपनी झांसी किसी को नहीं दूंगी," was nothing short of a challenge that she threw in front of the British. Rani Lakshmibai was one of the greatest leaders of the revolt.
Your Highness, the mother is crying. Please see what has happened. They want to buy Jhansi for 60,000 rupees. They want me to give Jhansi to them. Never, never, ever. I don't know what is right. Fighting for the right of people of Jhansi or a duty of a mother. What should I choose? Responsibility or a motherhood? I am in a fix. Should we leave our place for sake of money? But if we will leave our place like cowards, we will feel like we are letting ourselves down and we will repent. What should I do?
Don't worry, Rani. We, the people of Jhansi, have faith in you and we all are with you.
Yes, Damodar, we will fight for our right. I will fulfill my mother's duty and save my Jhansi and give message to the future generation that warriors win and cowards lose.
the forces of the British. She was remembered by the freedom fighters who inspired the masses with her gatha by singing Khoob ladi mardani wo to Jhansi wali Rani thi. And she indeed inspires now, if not in the body, then in the spirit. She still inspires with her gallant mindset and the courage with which she changed the way people thought of women.